Hello, everybody. This is Rav the Expert, and I've really been bothered. Teachers, professionals, AI users, they don't know that there is another application called Cloud AI. They only know ChatGPT probably, and they use ChatGPT like Google search. They've not, the thing is that they've not even known how to use GPT so strongly before even going to other applications. But you know what? Probably these applications may even help them do more faster. ChatGPT they definitely has its great sides. It's fast, it's user friendly. The voice inbuilt of this application is great. And if you are using ChatGPT both on your phone and on your laptop, that's awesome. I would encourage you to try some other applications like Gemini, like Perplexity, like Cloud AI. And there are other applications like Canva and CapCut that have their AI inbuilt features. Okay, let me just show you what I use Cloud AI to do on a couple weeks ago, like a few weeks ago. Let me show you what I use Cloud AI to do. Now, this is my Cloud AI on my phone, my gadget, like on my phone. I'm going to open the few chats that I had earlier on. I'm going to open it. Now, I'm going to open it. So this is it. Me teaching fractions. So I like look at this chat. Hey, good evening. Trust you're having a pleasant weekend. Now, this was like a WhatsApp message I got about a meeting we're going to have by 7 p.m. of yesterday. And just a few hours to the meeting, I wanted to reinforce my idea. I already knew my teaching strategy, what I use in 11 plus classes. So if you do not know, I teach 11 plus and SAT exam classes. I prepare students, I help students to prepare effectively for 11 plus and SAT exam classes. And I do this through intensive teaching and engaging teaching strategy. So I teach from complexity to simplicity. Like I show the students like this is the mountain, this is the bridge. Like this is the mountain and this is the bridge to cross it or to climb, or this is the ladder, or this is the means to cross it. This is the problem. And we create a bridge to cross it. So from complex ideas, I then flow to simple ideas. I'm a fan of keeping things simple. Literally, I'm a fan of keeping things simple. So if you do not know, yes, I'm Raf the expert. So I'm a fan of keeping things simple. I just gave this to them to Cloud AI and look at this. Please help me with this. Probably a few slides. I actually teach from complexity to simplicity. For example, teaching addition of fractions with different denominators and moving from the surface of lowest common factor to simplicity like equivalent fractions, looking for ways to change the different denominators to the same denominators. And look at in a few steps and after some seconds, it was able to create this PowerPoint for me. Let's look at this PowerPoint. Like, let's look at it. Um, so let's just open it. Let's open this PowerPoint. Can you see this? Like, this is just so good. Can you see this? So I'm just going to I should be able to play this out. Let me see if I could lay this out. Okay, good. So looking at this now, you see, I'm about to, and this is just a slide. Yes, I'm presenting on this device. So just look at this. Like, this is a slide that was created without so much input in the prompt. So even if you are new to prompt engineering, like you do not know how to create effective prompt, but by taking evidence-based messages or evidence-based write-ups, something that somebody must have even crafted already, you can do this. Like literally you can. If you do not really like typing a lot, but you want to, you can talk a lot, right? Because teachers know how to talk. Like professionals may not know how to talk a lot, but they know how to communicate their ideas a lot through talking. And they may probably have issues typing them down, but I'm sure they know how to write them down. So you can write them down and talk through your write-up to the AI. It's going to be able to pick it. Cloud AI may not have this effective voice over, but it's definitely will be able, you can actually do voice typing. So you can do voice typing, you can also do voice communication, but it's more effective when you type, in that voice typing or you hand type, because that's when these AIs are able to execute what you tell them to do on the spot. So look at what he did. Look at what he did. It created this for me, though I actually re-edited this on Canva and it looked a bit better. I would I wouldn't talk about Canva today. I just want to show you what I did on Cloud. Like just look at this slide. Look at this. It was able to create this and look at how good it is. Like look at how good it was able to create this. And it was able to understand from the get-go that yes, I can't add 3 and 4 together to get 4. So it can't be 4/7. It has to be something else. Like these denominators are different. So there has to be a way. So like there's a problem. And the bridge concept where you now talk about the multiples of 3 and the multiples of 4, and you're looking at the lowest common multiple between 3 and 4, which is 12. There could be other ones, like if you check 5 times, okay, let's say 4 times 6, 24. So I think the next one should be 24. That will be the common multiples between 3 and, so when 3 gets to like 3 times 8, you see 3 times 8 and you see 4 times 6, the same multiple, common multiples. So it's identified this as a bridge concept. But then some students may not easily get this concept, but if they can, then why not? They should think of multiplying 3 over 3, which still means times 1, to 3 over 4, and 4 over 4 to 1 over 3, which still means times 1. And it will give you the same common multiple. And they'll be like, oh, so we got the same common multiple. And now they have the same denominator. So I can add 4 and 9 together, and I will have 13. That's good. That's good. That's good. So you see, and this is a strategy like taking from ugly to clean. Because it's not just about talking of theories and all of that. This is literally what Cloud AI was able to do for me. I'm going to end this I'm going to end this presentation. Yeah, I'm going to end this presentation. So this is exactly what. Now let me show you another one. Now look at this temperature time graph. I told it to plot a graph for me. Like the question is, a student heats ice at 20 degrees Celsius until it becomes steam. Sketch on the axis below what a temperature time graph for this period would look like. Label the 2 flat sections of the graph. This is a question. I wanted it to visualize this for me. So it becomes a digital copy. And it did, actually, it did. Where's the um yeah, let's see what it did. It was able to craft, probably it's not showing properly here. It was able to craft something for me that I used in one of my documents, and I was able to project it to the student so they could see exactly what I was talking about. If I go to my, it should be right here. Don't worry, like you will see it. Okay, let me show you just before I leave this cloud. I'm going to show you another thing I did. Um, Now look at midterm exam I created. This was checkpoint exam, Cambridge checkpoint. I just snapped some worksheets I've done with this student, and I asked it to set a midterm exam question with a total mark of 50 using the Cambridge checkpoint standard of setting questions on 3 topics: ecosystem, exothermic and endothermic, and joints and muscles for year 8. Now note that when it was creating this, there was a few errors, which was like the total marks that was accumulated. It gave me a total marks of 66. If you do not check it, you may not know that it gave such an error. Now know that I did not just do it for year 8. And I did not just do it for the question. I also asked it to give me the mark guide, which it did. Like, look at the mark guide here. Let's look at this document, this year 8, and let's see how it looks like on Word. This is on my phone. Let's print view so you can see how this looks. It really looks so arranged. Can you see this? It looks so good. Like literally, like this is what I did. And I did it. I did this like about like say a week or 2 weeks ago. So this is it. Like, look at how beautiful it arranged all the questions, like literally arranged all the. Know that this is in Word document. So like, and I was able to re-edit this and to my taste or to my liking. So these are the questions. Let's look at the mark guide. Let's look at the mark guide. So this is that's just the question we just saw. So this is the mark guide here. Just look at that. So just look at this. Let's see. So can you see this is the mark guide here? The mark guide it's created based on the questions it already had. So this young man called Claude AI is very good in formatting, very good in creating stuff. Like so good. I was really amazed. Sincerely, I was. I was really amazed at this guy. I was really, really amazed at this guy. So um that's not all. That's not all. We may have to end. I don't even want to make this video very long. I don't want to make this video very long. So let's just let me show you for another class. So I could just like look at this table template, school timetable. I wrote something roughly on my paper and I snapped it. I said, draw the table template for me and give me in Word document. Now, there were a lot of mistakes I did on the rough sheet. So it read everything. That's just it. It's if you don't give it a clean information, it could make some errors. You have to check it and re-edit. So right here, it actually gave me what I needed. And because I've already drawn the template. So just look at the clean template it gave me. Look at the clean template it gave to me. Now just look at this. Let me make it in printed format and turn it in landscape. Just look at this. Like, just look at this. Look at this. This was the school week. It's not even school week. It's like, this is the midterm test. So that they had, and they in 4 days. So I had to re-edit it because there were a few mistakes like this. There were some, you can see. So there were some mistakes. I had to I had to re-edit it and it worked out fine. So if you are still not sure of what to do, just go on your Play Store. Just go on your Play Store. Just go on your Play Store and search for Cloud. Yes, to get started. So just search for Claude AI. You see Claude AI here, and you see, okay, let me go ahead and update it. So you see Claude AI right here. So just search for Claude AI and download it. And if that is all that you have to do, you can equally still go to your Chrome browser and search for Claude AI, probably Claude AI on your you can search it on your laptop. So Claude AI, and you'll be fine. Literally, you'll be fine. So yeah, so this is exactly how it's going to look like. As you can see, you can, okay, let me just verify with this. Now this is new. So you see, I can continue chatting here. So I actually have like two accounts. I can continue chatting here, and I would just okay, so I already have my all my works right here. You can see it. You can see it. This is the exact amount I had right here. So you probably need things to be done now, like right away. This is how to do it. All right, take care. We'll see you next time. And bye for now. Yeah, bye. So I will be ending it. Yeah.